I know I might spend a little more time on cleaning track and wheels than you would think is necessary. We always end up with problems with the track and rubbing the track down. And here, even my own Christmas track, I'll show you. I rub the track down, and you just get this black stuff. It just forms on the track and gets on there. And then it gets onto the wheels, and it can create issues. And what I wanted to show you here was with my meter and a dirty wheel, I've clipped onto the axle of the other wheel, and we should have continuity. That means we should have 0 ohms when we go through the wheel. And all I'm going to do, got a big glob of grease on there for some reason. All I'm going to do is touch this probe. I'm not going to dig into it. I'm just going to touch the probe to the wheel as if it was a piece of track. And here, I'll touch over here so you can verify that. Okay, so when these two ends touch, there's no resistance. When I touch here, it's a flat out open. That would mean if I put this on the track as it is, the train would not run because no current would flow. Now what I've done is I've burnished the other side of the wheel. Oh geez, I turned it and didn't realize. Okay, so there's the dirty side of the wheel that had no cotton. And now I've burnished this side, which is a wheel I'll show you in a second. But when I touch this side, we look down at the meter. As we look down to the meter, trust me, it will go to 0. At any rate, it will go to 0. Alright, there it goes. There's 0. So axles to the journal side. Oops, keep forgetting where I'm pointing. Okay, so things to clean. The wheel for sure. The wheel should be shiny like this. You have to clean the joint between the axle and the wheel. Sometimes you got to pop the axle out and wipe it down. Then you put a little bit of oil in there, and there's a special kind of oil that we use. Label's all worn off here, but I can tell you it's Labelli, and it is plastic compatible and it's conductive, so the oil will not serve as an insulator. So you clean the axles and the joints, you clean all of the drive wheels, that is the wheels that pick up power, and you have to be careful because the burnishing tool will dig into the plastic wheels. These are wheels that are plastic, they're insulated. You do not want to use it on that. But I use a Dremel. It's not going to reach, but this is my Dremel, and it has a high speed on it. But this is called a burnishing wheel, and this one's a little worn. I just used it. But what it provides us is the ability to, in effect, polish the surface of the metal very lightly without taking too much metal away, just a microscopic amount of metal. But it cleans up all the dirt, and then it polishes the metal, and that will allow the wheel to stay clean for a long time. Then, if you clean the track, routinely clean the track, just rubbing the towel on it, then the wheels will stay cleaner longer. And that's all part of getting electricity into the engine. It's a toy. It's a toy, and it runs on electricity, so it has to conduct. And these are the bits and pieces of maintenance that are routine. Just sharing. Don't know if it helps, but thought it'd be interesting. Take care. Bye.